Hello friends, come play with me, learning letters happily.
Today we will learn letters Q, R, and S.
Let's start our alphabet adventure. What is this upon the ground? A shiny crown we just found.
Q is How is that you?
Look and see what shines for you. A sparkling magic letter Q. Wow, it's a Q.
So pretty!
What a magical Q. Say Q.
Q.
Let's say Q together. Q. Can you find the letter Q?
I see it! The glowing Q!
Great job, everyone! Quest with Q!
Q.
Follow me, friends, to the treasure!
Yay! Adventure time! Now! I'm ready! Let's go!
Q says Q, 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 sing with me, Q, 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 happily.
Today we learned the letter Q.
Goodbye, everyone.
Listen close and look around. A rushing river we just found. R is for rainbow over the river. Look and see what shines for you. A rainbow letter shining R. Say R. Let's say R together. R. Can you find the letter R?
Run with R. Let's go.
R is for run.
R says zrr. Sing with me, R, R, happily.
Today we learned the letter R. Look, my friends, what do we see? A sunny flower waving happily. S is for sunflower. Look and see shining bright. Here's the happy letter S. Say S. Let's say S together. S. Can you find the letter S?
A leaf!
Look, the letter S.
Yay!
Spin with S. S.
S says, sing with me, S, S, S,
Truly.
Today we learned the letter S. Q says coop, ox says S. S says star. Letters learned in fun today. See you soon again to play.
Next time we learn letter T.